Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can control your main workspace on your Monday.com website. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, as you can see, we need to open our account, and after opening the account in the main workspace section, as you can see, I've created the design, and after I created the dashboard, I have created the form and the doc file as well. Now if you want to delete this, if you want to change or rename whatever you want, you can control these all options here. For example, I'm going to right click on the important doc file, and after clicking on this, as you can see, rename the doc, move to these all options are provided here. You can open this in a new tab, you can change doc type, you can add to favorite, you can save as a template, but I'm going to delete this. Let's click on the delete and the file will be deleted. So as you can see, now it's deleted. In the form section, if you right click on the form, you will get the options related to the form. I'm also going to delete the form, as you can see. So in this way, you can control your main workspace. If you right click on this, you will also get the options according to your selected elements. So in this way, you can control your main workspace. You can delete, rename whatever you want. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can control your main workspace. So see you guys in the next video.